So I'm going to be going over the San Diego State University 3-semester teacher credential program. And this is the orientation overview from Thursday. So first, we'll go over why choose this cohort. And this is a great program because it has more flexibility. So if you need to work or take care of children or other responsibilities, it allows you to do so, especially because classes are in the late afternoon or early evening. Student teaching can be all over San Diego, and they really focus on the idea of a growth mindset. And the cohort leaders are Professor Eric Ginsberg and Will Stewart. Just a brief overview of the program. It's divided in 3 semesters, August to December, January through May, and again next August and December of 2020. There are specific classes during each semester, and student teaching will begin in January, which would be spring semester, and it would be Monday through Friday at a placement in San Diego. In the spring, it's a minimum of 3 to 4 hours, and in the fall, it's just a 1-hour increase. The overall expectations of the program are to be on time and at every single class for the entire class period, to submit every assignment by the deadline, to be respectful and professional. This is very important, and Professor Ginsberg really emphasized professionalism via communication, your email. Anything that we do, any interaction we have, must be with a very professional demeanor because we must treat it like it's a job interview. That being said, when there are any problems with the program, with your student teaching, guide teacher, anything of that nature, we can always talk to our cohort leaders. We also went over the credential program handbook, which was very helpful, and these are just a couple of the things we went over. So for standards and expectations, there's quite a few, but the base is that this is focused on equity, theory into practice, and reflective teaching and learning. So they really want to create great teachers through this program. Again, policies and resources, daily attendance at the assigned site. We must maintain a 3.0 or above. And there's other things that we can do in the meantime, like substitute teaching. If we need to take a leave of absence, we can do that if we discuss it with our leaders. If there's any difficulties or conflict resolution, we can always go to supervision our cohort leaders, and at our assigned seats, even at our assigned sites. This could be with our guide teachers, and just a reminder to always have a professional disposition. For student teaching, supervision, they are in charge of overseeing placement, observation, feedback, evaluation, reflection, communications, records. The team leader, support. They are our mentor, coach. They run classes, any troubleshooting. We have a growth plan. They ensure we are prepared for the EdTPA and give us an evaluation. The guide or mentor teacher. This teacher is in charge of planning their class, of course, and planning the work with the student teacher, demonstration, reflection, feedback, communication, and assessment of the student teacher. With all of that, the student teacher must show professionalism, instructional planning, classroom management, and become acquainted with the school and community. And lastly, every effort is made for us to be prepared for the EdTPA, which is a final performance assessment. The program is designed to prepare us for that. It consists of 3 tasks and commentary. It's nationally scored, and it will be completed during our final teaching semester, which will be the following fall. And here are just some tips on the right side that Professor Ginsberg gave us to make sure that we are prepared, organized, and ready. Thank you.